Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love.
Hey guys, it's Yaya'sLife. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I just really want to put like a big disclaimer out there. Like, I know I haven't been on YouTube in like a while. It's been a couple of months, guys, and that's not good. And I like really apologize for that. It's just been a little bit harder now going into high school and being a freshman. It's my first year, you know. Yeah, by the way, high school has been like really good. I've really been loving high school, honestly. Like, it's been really good. It's been stressful, but it's been pretty good. I mean, compared to my last school, no, that was horrible. If you guys are wondering, like, whoa, you look different. Yeah, I know. As you guys can't tell already, I've been really like into makeup lately, and I have quite a lot of makeup now, and I've gotten really better at it. And I've always just loved makeup. I just never had like the good like quality makeup, I guess, to like actually show my skills, if that makes sense, you know. My eyebrows have evolved and come a long way through to be like this, so I'm very proud. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call this look like rose gold look, because I think it kind of is like a rose gold, you know. Okay, so before even I filmed like another YouTube video, it didn't go too well. No, like, ow! 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 Oh, now it's watering up. R.I.P. eyelid. I meant, ooh, I got an idea. Oh my god. You wanna know who I freaking look like? I look like the freaking like ugly crap from the Muppets. The one that has a big nose, the blue one. Do you know what I'm talking about? That's who I look like right now. Like, what is this? So yeah, that happened. So I came back and did a much more prettier, more appealing look for you guys. I came up with this look because I think it's much more prettier. Anyways, if you guys are wondering how to do this look, then keep on watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video. Okay, so let's get into the video and how to do this look. Okay, so I already just did one eye, and I'm gonna do this eye for you guys because I thought it would be just a little bit faster for you guys to see. Okay, so the first palette I'm gonna be using today is the Huda Beauty. I was kidding. The Huda Beauty Desert. Why do I keep saying Desert Dusk palette? And it's so freaking pretty. Just look at it, like. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this palette for the majority of the look today. Okay, so the brush that I'm going to be using today is the Morphe M433 brush. So the first eyeshadow I'm using is this shade here called Eden. It's one of my favorite like transition shades. It's just really good. I'm putting this color in like my crease. I'm putting it a little above my crease as well, so it can make my eye look a little bit bigger and more like wider. I don't know, it's just like a technique that people do. The next shade I'm going to be using is this color right here called Amber. I also really like this color. Okay, so now the next shade I'm gonna be taking is this shade here called Turkish Delight, and this one's more like I think it's like one of the pearly shades, because it's not like a matte, it's like a little bit shinier. It's like a ruby. It's such a pretty color. Right here, Turkish Delight. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna put that like, okay, I don't know how to explain where I'm putting it at, but I just know where I'm putting it, you know? I'm putting it like half of my like crease, kind of, and like into the crease as like, I don't know if what you guys like call it, but like this is what I'm like doing. I love every single color in this whole entire palette. Like, it was $65, but so well worth it. Like, Okay, so now the last shade I'll be taking is this dark like brown shade called, I don't know what it's pronounced, but I call it Oud or I really don't know. It's a really good one though. Like, it's like a reddish, like, brown shade. It's like really, really pretty though. And I'm just putting this like in my like outer corner and mixing it up with the Turkish Delight shade. So this is what it looks like when it's like complete with the actual like eyeshadows on it. We is gonna be taking the Stila glitter and glow liquid eyeshadows. These things are so beautiful. Like, when I tell you they're beautiful, they are beautiful. Like, gorgeous. Like, they are so freaking pretty. Like, they're $24, but they are so worth it. That actually kind of hurt my head. Low key. So I'm gonna do a little swatch because these things are like to die for. Like, oh, that's so freaking pretty. Oh dang, I kind of wasted a lot. And then like when it dries, it gets even prettier. Like, I don't know how. Like, oh my god. And let me tell you, yesterday I went to go take a nap. So yeah, your girl went to go take a nap yesterday. Rose Gold Retro. Okay, so you kind of want to like cut your crease with this like halfway to like where we ended the Turkish Delight at. I did it. And anyways, concluding to my story, before I went to sleep, I actually did my makeup, but I only did my eyes. Nothing else, no foundation, no nothing. That's all I did, but I had eyeliner on, this on, and I woke up this morning and I forgot to take it off, and this thing was still on. No crumbles, no cracks, no nothing. I was like, oh my god, like, whoa. So get your hands on these while you can, because these are like the bomb. And to blend it out so it doesn't look so like weird and harsh, I'm gonna take a little bit more of some Turkish Delight and just like blend the edges out. I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be taking both of them, the Primavera and Vermeer. I'll take the slightest bit of the gold one and like a lot of the Vermeer one. Put it on like the brow bone. A little bit of that on. These are actually all drugstore mascaras that I'm going to show you. I use about like 3 mascaras a day. Anyways, so the first one that I use is the Maybelline New York, the Colossal. Okay, I don't know how to say this word, but the Colossal, is that what it says? But it's the Big Shot one. Now the second mascara I'm using is the Maybelline. These are all like Maybelline, by the way. The Lash Sensational one. And now the last mascara I'm going to be using is the Maybelline, the Colossal Volume. I don't know what it says because it like rubbed off, but I use this for my bottom lashes. My friend Christina got it for me, and she got me the Modern Renaissance palette and the Becca Eyelights palette. Whoa. And now for my lips, I think I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. Ooh, my lips are chapped. By the way, guys, you know that big secret I never told you? That's my baby sister. Say hi. Hi. She was born July, right? And yeah, so this is the big secret I was hiding from you guys. Yeah, so my mom got pregnant again. This is her 3rd child. I was the first, then my brother, and then now her. But yeah, this is like my little baby, and I love her so much. Like, she's just like the best thing ever. Like, I don't know what I would do without her. And that's the biggest secret I was keeping from you guys, but now you guys know. But yeah, now she'll be in YouTube a lot more. So say bye now. Say bye, YouTube. Pipe it up and stab. Hey, boom, boom. Once again, please subscribe down below, like this video. I love you guys so much.